quick update on my garage slash studio. So I framed the bathroom already. So this is the bathroom. I currently in the middle of installing the drain, the plumbing, and all the pipes before I put the electricals. So here's the wall that I'm gonna put. I didn't do all the way over there. I want to keep my garage door intact outside. So that's pretty much it. This is going to be my door to the bathroom, and this is going to be the kitchen on that space. That's the wall, and that's the 2 windows that I install on my garage. Then that's the main door. Pretty much it. That's my quick update on my studio.
So basically I am drilling 2 holes here, and 1/2-inch hole for my plumbing, for my hot water and cold water, and I'm using PEX piping. This is actually different from regular copper pipes. I like to use PEX pipe. It's easy to work with, it's more flexible, and you don't have to solder it. Just make sure, check all your connections after you clamp it for the PEX. I'm blocking the light, there you go. So make sure you push it really, really hard. Yep. Leave a little space. Clamp it. That's it. Go. So after I install my 6 recessed lights, the distance between them is around 4 feet, and right now I'm doing here is connect everything together and connect all the electrical, and I split it up in 2 switch, one in the near the living room part and one in the kitchen part. You will see after this. Okay, so after a few minutes, here's my recessed lights installed. That goes right there, and right there, then all the way to that. So it's 4 of them straight, but I split it into 2. A switch, 2 switch from this side and 2 switch from the, I mean, a 1 switch from that side and 1 switch from the other side. So right now I'm installing drywall on my room, and I'm doing on the ceiling first. And it's up to you if you want to work on your wall or in the ceiling first. If you're doing by yourself, it's really up to you. It doesn't really matter to me. And if you are by yourself, make sure you use this tool. Just rent this tool in Home Depot, because drywall is really heavy and you can't really carry it by yourself while you are drilling. So this tool really helps me to install the drywall by myself, and it works really well. Alright, so let's go jump to the other clip that I finished the whole thing. So on the next day, I basically finish all the ceiling and all the walls And this is a next day in the afternoon that I have. I'm just working on the last three pieces of the drywall in that corner on the side of the kitchen. So basically, when you are working on the drywall, the only hard part is when you need to punch a hole, drill a hole, like a circle ones or a square ones on the circuit breakers and receptacles. But mostly, if you're working by yourself, it's really fun, and then just install, measure it, cut it, and then drill it. So the only thing I have to do next here is I have to tape all the butt joints and the corners and do the mudding. And I have to call my wife for help on the next clip. So here she is. I called my wife to help me this day to install the tape and do the mudding of the drywall. So basically we did the mudding and taping for like a day for the whole gap and corners of the drywall, and I still have to make sure she's doing it right. And there she is, she's taping and mudding the window side, and I'm actually doing the ceiling part. So basically we did this for like a day, and we didn't finish the whole thing because I still have some drywall that haven't installed yet. So yeah. So in this section, I'm installing a exhaust vent for my kitchen. So because I'm planning to install a range hood vent here in this part, so I have to I have to install an exhaust. So right now I'm just cutting a circle, and that goes all the way to the ceiling. So the next thing I did here is I put a nail on the ceiling that goes all the way to the roof. So when I go to the roof, I can see where I'm going to drill at least a 6-inch hole that matches on my ceiling inside the room. So right here in the roof, I'm installing the gooseneck duct that's right there. And I filmed this one in a GoPro, but unfortunately I messed up because my GoPro is actually flipped up, so you can't see the whole process. And I'm just gonna show you here. I installed pretty much everything here with the aluminum vent, and I'll explain it to you what I did on the next clip. Alright, so after I installed the gooseneck vent at the roof, I connect this semi-rigid 6-inch vent to the ceiling underneath the vent, and I put a clamp on it, and I put a aluminum tape, and I insert it right here. And all I have to do is just install the range hood later on. That's pretty much it. It's already done. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again soon.